What's up, beautiful people? Another edition of Bass Slay Outdoors, back with another video. And I am back on open water, as you guys can see. Got the lovely kayak out here. This is about to be the first trip I'm out today. This is the Huron River upstream. So we're gonna get down here, see what we can get out here today. I'm not gonna try to do, I just want to do a little test run. Just kind of see how the kayak works. It's the first time it's been put up all winter, so we're gonna get it out. We gotta run it with 3 rods today, so I'm gonna run a little blade bait, a crank bait, and I'm about to tap a little net rig. So we're gonna see what we can get out here, guys. If we don't get nothing out here today, guys, that's fine. I just want to get out here and paddle. It's a beautiful day out here in Ann Arbor, so we're gonna see if we can get something out here, guys. So down, stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the first push off of 2021. First little drop of the drive. Loose drive because I got my wing nuts. She's still smooth. There, she's still smooth. So we out paddling. This is our first little paddle. We are out here, so we're gonna see if we can get out here, guys. Hopefully we can get some luck out here. It's a beautiful day. So hopefully we can get some toes today. It's a beautiful day in Ann Arbor. Beautiful, beautiful day in Ann Arbor. So I'm gonna kind of work this little shoreline here, see if I can get some fish. Working this little black and red little nad here. So let's go mimic a crawl, which is about to be running in the river real good right now. So I'm gonna kind of just cast and work my way back, see what I can get. That was a good little tap too. Smallies, they hit light like that. They hit light. That'll be them trying to pick it up. pick it up. Based on, it's gonna feel like pick up. If you don't feel like pick it up, they get off on you. Their mouth is so small, you got this much space to set that hook. Nice pike. Nice pike. You bit that right off too. Not too bad for the first pike. Not bad here. Nice pike here. So he's about 24 inches, 25 inches. Northern pike. Alright guys, we're gonna let this guy go back. He's a nice one here. Get a little picture of him and then we're gonna get this guy released. Let's see. Nice fish here. He hit off that Ned rig. Alright guys, so we got a good picture of him, so we're gonna let this guy go back. I'm all back down to what's the call? I kinda got the skunk off the boat, so I'm gonna let this guy go back. He's just there he goes. Alright guys, so we're almost to the bridge, so we're gonna get back in the water here. This is actually what I'm using here. Using this Ned rig here. It's custom painted bait for my buddy, so shouts out to Terrence. I'ma definitely make sure I shout you out on Facebook also. Caught my first open water fish of the year with your Ned wig special color. So shouts out to you, bro. Like I said, I'm gonna link you guys and show you guys his online site to order from him. He makes good custom baits. So I'll leave that description towards the end of this video. But I'm gonna start heading my way back. It's kind of a slow day. I got 2 bites, and that pike was the first one to hit. Like I say, it's still like beginning of the season, so things are not quite, fish are not quite active. So we're gonna see what we can get on the way back. See if we can get a fish on the way back. So let's get it. Everybody ready to get out of here. I want to thank you guys for watching another edition of Bass Play Outdoors. It was a great day to be out on the Huron River. Finally was able to catch the first open water fish of the year, which was a northern pike. Couldn't get no bass to bite, but hey, you know what it is. Hopefully next time we get a smallmouth to bite. I know I had one probably swipe at me, but next time we'll come get one. So till next time guys, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like this video, and ding that notification for more future videos from me. So guys, thanks for watching another edition of Bass Play Outdoors. You guys stay safe, stay positive, tight lines. Peace. Alright guys, so I almost forgot here. So I said I was going to show you guys those lures that I was actually baits that I was using. So these are the colors I was using here. And 2freshfishing.com is the guy that made these baits for me. So check him out. He got some crazy colors, man. Like this one here. This is a good color. It's called Figer Craw with black tip. It's called 2freshfishing.com. So make sure you guys get with him, order you some baits. He got some killer combos, man, like this right here. He got some more baits that he's making up for me, but these are the baits that I was using. They are Ned rigs, but they just dipped in Fire Craw and black with a black tip. So killer bait. Got a nice little flakes on the black. Nice bait, guys. So get with them, guys. Make sure you guys shout me out When you guys make the order, let them know that Wayne sent you from Bass Slayer Outdoors. There you go.